Okay, so I need you to imagine this for a second. You get a call from your boss. Their voice, their tone, everything sounds perfect. They ask you to send over an urgent payment, and you just do it. But here's the catch: it wasn't actually your boss, it was an AI deepfake. Creepy, right? Well, just sit on tight because experts say the era of AI hacking has officially arrived and it's changing the game in ways that sound like science fiction. But it's not sci-fi anymore. How in movies, hackers are these hoodie-wearing geniuses typing super fast and somehow breaking into the Pentagon. In reality, most hackers start with something boring, like a sketchy email. But now, with an AI, the playing field just leveled up. Hackers don't need to be geniuses anymore. They can just ask AI to do an heavy lifting. AI can write malicious code, create fake websites, even impersonate people. And the big thing is security companies are using AI too. So it's literally AI versus AI arms race happening in cyberspace. Kind of like a never-ending game of cat and mouse, except the cat and the mouse both have jetpacks. First, phishing emails. We all think we're smart enough to spot them, right? Like when you get one saying, "Hello, dear customer, please click here to reset a password." Obvious scam. But now AI writes these emails in perfect English, way better than I speak, tailored specifically to you. Imagine getting an email from your actual bank with your name, your details, your transaction history, all scraped from the web and put together by AI. Are you really going to spot the fake? Scary though. And the thing is, those are not just emails. Voice cloning is insane right now. Criminals can record just a few seconds of someone talking, feed it to AI, and boom, they can make that person say anything. There's already a case where scammers impersonated a CEO voice and tricked employees into wiring millions of dollars. Millions from just a fake phone call. And then, of course, don't forget, there are also deepfakes. Imagine scrolling on social media and seeing a video of your favorite politician saying something shocking. You believe it, you share it, but it was never real. Elections, stock markets, reputations, all vulnerable. That's the world we are in right now. And I think automated malware is also a big thing. Back in the day, writing a computer virus took real skill. Now, you can literally tell AI, write me a program that steals login details but hides from antivirus. And it'll spit out working code. And what is even worse, some of this malware can adapt on the fly. So if one method fails, it tweaks itself and tries again, like a hacker that never sleeps. Imagine playing whack-a-mole, except the mole gets smarter every time you miss. That's the nightmare. You know what's really scary stuff is? The nuclear bomb hack. In Australia, authorities are calling one AI-assisted hack the nuclear bomb of cybercrime. Basically, it was able to drain bank accounts in minutes. Gone. Just like that. Just think about it. Years of saving, gone before you can even refresh your banking app. If that doesn't wake people up, I don't know what will. But don't you panic yet. Where AI is used by some bad people to do some bad stuff, it's also defenders fighting back. AI isn't just helping the bad guys. Security companies are fighting fire with a fire. For example, AI can now detect patterns in network traffic that humans would never notice. It can predict which servers are about to be attacked. And in some cases, it can even shut down an attack before it causes any damage. So yeah, as you imagine, the battle is intense, but it's not one-sided, which is the most important thing here. So enough of the theory. Let's just step back for a second. What does this, everything that I said, actually mean for you and me? We really need to think about this because we need to be prepared for every day, and we need to be prepared of how the technology changes and how it can affect us. If you get a phone call from someone you trust, how do you know it's actually them? If you see a shocking video online, how do you know it's not AI generated? It's really difficult to say nowadays. And if hackers can drain accounts in minutes, how safe is our money, really? The scary truth is the line between reality and fake is blurring faster than ever. But here's the hopeful side. Just like AI is being used to attack, it's also being used to defend. Maybe the real question isn't will AI destroy us, but can AI save us from ourselves? So, yeah, welcome to the era of AI hacking. It's messy, it's scary, and it's only going to get crazier from here, in a speed that we cannot even imagine right now. But I want to hear from you. Do you think AI will end up protecting us more than it hurts us? Or are we opening Pandora's box and just hoping it doesn't bite us back? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button if this blew your mind, and subscribe for more AI and tech breakdowns every week. Oh, and of course, share this with a friend who still thinks password 123 is a good idea. Spoiler, it's not.